Welcome back to Tugs Rugs. Hey man, I really don't have no title or anything for this right here. I don't know. Let's just make a rug, I guess. Let's just make the title. Let's just make a rug, man. So what we're about to get ready to do, man, let me turn this thing around, man. So we're about to get ready to attempt this right here. So we have the Chicago Bulls right here. We got the Chicago Bears, Chicago Cubs, and then the Chicago Blackhawks, yeah, hockey. So we got hockey, we got basketball, we got football, and we have baseball going on right here. So we're finna put all these in one thing. We're not gonna do all this crazy stuff around here. So we're gonna blow this thing up and try to get it like a 36 by 36, you know, probably a little bit bigger. But yeah, man, we're finna go ahead and attempt this. I already got it reversed. So I got it projected on my canvas, and I use my handy dandy projector right here. This is right here. Link is in the description of this projector here. But hey, we finna get ready to draw this thing up, man. I might have to, I don't know if this is kind of like visible. Let me cut the light off so we can see what we got. All right, so this is what we got going on, man. I think it's visible enough, man. It looks pretty good. I think I could draw it from here. It's just this eye right here. I don't know. You know, it's just too much black going on right here to see the eyeball. I just don't want too much black. So I'm going to have to find a picture to kind of see how to make that look a little better. You know, I got the feathers going on. I don't know what's all this crazy stuff in here. So maybe I have to look and see, you know, if that's part of the logo or something. But yeah, man. So let's get this thing drawn up, man. Let's go. So I got that drawn in. I'm not sure about these feathers and stuff over here. So we're gonna have to find a picture to do that. The Cubs came out good. The Chicago Bears was simple. I gotta figure if I gotta look back at the picture, see if it's supposed to be a line that goes straight down. Maybe I need to do that, or just keep it white like it is, and maybe it just come together like the picture is. And then yeah, then I got the Chicago Bull here, and I got to figure out this Blackhawks one. I did not finish that line, but it's all good. I can look at the picture and finish that line. So yeah, so let's get the tufting, man. Let's go. All right, people, there it goes. Look at that. That came out pretty neat, y'all. Yeah, I got them feathers nice. So, hey, that's it for that there. Let's turn this thing around so we can see what the other side look like. All right, yeah, look at them feathers, man. The feathers came out good. Oh, yeah, that's a wrap on that one now. Oh, yeah, look at it. So now all I got to do now is hit it with the, well, he can put the glue on the back, of course. Get the glue on the back with my glue. What this is? It is the 3095 carpet adhesive that I get from Home Depot. Throw that on the back and then let that dry for a day or two. Cut that out, and then I'm gonna hit it with my electric scissors, man. Link in the description to these electric scissors, to the glue, to where I get the yarn from, and all that. So, hey, that's it there, man. So, hey, the customer's gonna love this. So, hey, I just wanted to make a video, man, just making a little rug. So, I thought this would be a cool rug. I didn't want to go in all debt with this. I have other videos that, you know, that you could kind of watch that I go in debt with it. So, just kind of wanted to do a little time lapse with this one here, you know, because I thought it was pretty fun. It would have been kind of long trying to record all this here, but, hey, it came out pretty good, man. So, hey, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and click that bell, man. Don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. We got the IG, the TikTok, and the Facebook, man. Hey, see y'all on the next rug, man. Peace.